friends, thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to do a pretty simple project. We're going to take a journal that's already been made. I got it at the store. But we are going to go ahead and alter it just slightly. Nothing over the top, just a few alterations just to bring it up to the next level. So I hope you enjoy the video.
Okay friends, this is super easy, relatively inexpensive, and I think it makes a great gift idea. So I purchased a journal, and it's a lined journal, so the papers inside have lines on them. The first thing I wanted to do was create a bookmark. So I took my Fabri-Tac and I put a line of it down, right down the spine on the outside. And I then laid a piece of ribbon over the top of it and let it dry. Then I cut a piece of lace and I glued that over top of the ribbon. Once that was dry, I glued the lace down to the front and back cover of the journal. For added interest, I put one more layer of ribbon down the spine. In this case, it's like jute. It's not a soft ribbon. It's more like rope. It's a little bit darker than the ribbon I used, and it's braided, so it definitely does add some interest and texture. I wanted to create one pocket on the inside, but the first page would not lay flat. So I went to the second page, which is this lined page, and I folded the corner down. And once I got the crease in the corner, I went ahead and put some glue underneath and then pressed the glue and allowed that to dry. Once that was dry, I flipped the page over and then I put a bead of glue down the side. You can see me doing it here, and then across the bottom. And then I'm going to flip that back over and press it up against the first page. Now you can see that there's a pocket there. Now I'd like to add just a little decoration. So I have a pack of press-on stickers, and I love the press-ons because they're not glossy. They have a matte finish, and so you hardly can tell that it's a sticker. I put this large green one on the pocket, and then I added a few additional, I think on the next page and then the following page. And here is a little mini flip through for you.
Well friends, I hope you enjoyed watching me do these simple alterations to this journal. Thanks for watching. See you soon.